South Carolina Weather Watchers. I am the host for South Carolina Weather, Jesse Peterson, and let's go ahead and talk about the weather for your Monday evening. Now, looking at the radar right now, as you can see, we do have some storms up here inside of Greenville. This is very just unexpected. We weren't really expecting this at all. We weren't expecting any type of precipitation, but I mean, it just happened. There's nothing that I could have done to predict it because the models weren't showing yet. So we go over really with what the models say, and if the models don't show it, then that means that we don't go with it. But if the models do go with it, we go with it. So that's just what happened. Sorry for the surprise up there, but honestly, I don't know. I can't, accurately predict the weather 24/7. So that's just gonna happen sometimes. But continuing on, here's our cloud cover for right now. Cloud cover, obviously, with those storms up there, they are bringing cloud cover with them. We're bringing cloud cover up there inside the Greenville Spartanburg region, and also up there inside of Augusta as well. And here's our future cloud tracker. If we go ahead and move this forward, you can see those scattered showers moving in, and I think that they're gonna be about gone by the time they reach anywhere like Simpsonville or Lawrence or Newberry or places like that. I think they will bring clouds with them, and that will actually kind of put us in some scattered cloud cover throughout most of South Carolina going into tonight and into tomorrow morning. You can definitely see some very heavy cloud cover going into tomorrow, and by the time we get into tomorrow night and tomorrow evening, tomorrow afternoon, you definitely start to see that cloud cover really start to expand as well. So definitely you're gonna have to watch out for some clouds tomorrow. Here is our current temperatures right now: 75 in Columbia, 70 in Charleston, 71 in Myrtle Beach, 73 in Greenville, 75 in Augusta, 79 in Bennettsville, 73 in Rock Hill, and 70 down there near Savannah. Here's our low temperatures for tonight. Low temperatures for tonight can reach around 60 in Greenville, 59 in Spartanburg, 59 in Anderson, 59 in Newberry, 61 in Columbia, 64 in Charleston, 63 in Myrtle Beach, and 61 over there inside of Georgetown. Now, continuing on, obviously no precipitation was expected for the next 24 hours, but obviously that changed with that whole system that came through. Right now, going through the Upstate. And then here's our day 2 category outlook. As we can see, we do have the little tiny tip of South Carolina is inside of a TSTM. So you're going to have to watch out for that, just for maybe an isolated thunderstorm. And then going into our day 3 out, most of the upstate of South Carolina is pretty much under a TSTM, which means that just your general everyday thunderstorm is expected tomorrow. So definitely watch out. Not tomorrow, but Wednesday. So definitely watch out for that. Let's go ahead and talk about what's going on inside the entire United States. As you can see down here inside Texas, we do have some scattered showers going through right now. Going through portions of like Dallas, Killeen, Houston is looking fine. Victoria, maybe a couple of showers. Even down here close to the Mexico border as well. Definitely some showers down there. Even up here inside of the East Coast, we obviously do have those showers over there inside of South Carolina, and even some severe storms inside of Virginia and West Virginia as well. We even have some showers and some storms up there inside of North Dakota and even South Dakota. We could be seeing some severe storms going through Nebraska and South Dakota right now. Kansas is about to get their storms, but it will be a bit later. Have some heavy rain over here inside of Colorado and Wyoming, and as well over here inside of Idaho, Montana, Nevada, and maybe even some isolated snow down there inside of Utah as well. And over here on the west coast is looking pretty good, except for up here for just some isolated showers up there inside of Washington. Going ahead and pulling up the GFS model, I do want to go ahead and talk about the future. So going on through, as you can see, we push this forward. You can see that snow already start to get started up there inside of Colorado, and we move that east. You can see those storms really start to move into places like Kansas and Nebraska, and maybe with some heavy rain to potentially some severe storms up here inside of Iowa and Minnesota as well, moving through Chicago and all the way down into Arkansas as well. That will continue pushing east. That will bring us just a couple of showers, if not maybe just some isolated downpours as well. Continuing on, as you can see, April the 19th, you can see that we do have some showers that's going to continue going into April the 19th. And then maybe even the potential, I was talking about this last night. I was talking about the potential for seeing some potential severe weather going into like around the April the 20th region. And then some more heavy rainfall on April the 21st for a potential flash flooding concern. Continuing this forward, we're in a bit of a dry period, and then finally we start to see some more precipitation going into April the 26th and the 27th, and then everything else is 300 hours out, so it's way too far to talk about for right now. As we saw today, shoot, we can't even tell anything 10 to 12 hours out. I couldn't even, get the whole thunderstorm up here inside of the Greenville-Spartanburg region, right? But if you look at the models, obviously, I'll show you. As you can see, obviously now it's showing it because it's already there. But if we go back to let's go back to the 21Z. These were not forecasted at all. We can push it forward. You can see they were supposed to spawn over near North Carolina, and then they were supposed to dissipate. But see, if we continue it forward even more, you can see nothing was supposed to hit South Carolina, but then we finally get to the 23Z, and finally those showers start to pop off, and they thought that was going to be it until we got to the 0Z, and I guess they finally realized that these storms may be a bit more intense. We did have a severe thunderstorm warning as well for one of these storms. I think it was for this region over here, Pickens Central, just to the west of Greenville, was under a severe thunderstorm warning earlier for 60-mile-per-hour winds and quarter-sized hail. So, honestly, that just tells you weather is unpredictable, and we're not right 100% of the time. But we're getting better and better at it every single day. So, I guess that's all we just gotta hope for in the future. I think in the future we may get really close to getting it 100%, but I don't think we're going to be still 100% accurate with it. But that's going to be about it. So thank you guys so much for tuning in to this evening's forecast update. Make sure that you guys hit the subscribe button, please. We're at 73 last time I checked. We're two more people away from 75. If you are on the live stream right now, please make sure that you hit the like button. And if you go on ahead and you're on the stream right now, go on ahead and go to the video when it's uploaded and hit the like button as well. Go on ahead and share as well to all the people that you know. And that's all that I have. So thank you guys so much for being here, and I will be back tomorrow morning with another forecast update.